Welcome back to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to download the TV Bro app on your Android TV, Google TV, or TV box. This method will work with any device, any browser running on an Android operating system. In my case, I'm going to use a Google browser for this example, and I want you to get in and search for the application you're trying to download. Today, we'll click on search and we're looking to download the TV Bro app. So type in TV Bro and click on the search button. When you search, you see a variety of sites from which to download, but focus on Google, or rather play.google.com. This takes you to the store and you could download it instantly. If it's your first time, you're actually going to be prompted to log into your Google account. If you do so, you'll find this blue install button. Click on it and you're going to find your download pending. Be patient and wait for the download to commence. Depending on your internet speed, it will take you from a few seconds to about a minute to get this application downloaded. When it is downloaded, you have it straight into your Android TV and you could access it from your app library. If you found value in this tutorial, I would like you to share with somebody who needs it as well. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.